Morning students. Today I am solving example 19 of exercise 3.6. This example is very important for the examination point of view. So I want to solve this example 19. Question is, a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. Try to understand this question. एक नाव 10 घंटे में धारा के ऊर्ध्व प्रवाह में 30 किलोमीटर जाती है और धारा के विपरीत दिशा में 55 किलोमीटर की दूरी 13 घंटों में तय करती है. Then determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. तो शांत जल में धारा की चाल ज्ञात करें और स्टीमर की चाल ज्ञात करें, बोट की चाल ज्ञात करें. So we consider to solve this theorem. At first we consider let the speed of the boat in still water be x km/h and the speed of stream be y km/h. मान लिया कि शांत जल में स्टीमर की चाल x किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा है और धारा की चाल y किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा है. Again, try to understand this example. एक नाव स्टीमर धारा के ऊर्ध्व प्रवाह में, माने धारा के विपरीत दिशा में, अपस्ट्रीम मीन्स होता है धारा के विपरीत दिशा में 30 किलोमीटर 10 घंटे में तय करती है और धारा के विपरीत दिशा में 55 किलोमीटर धारा की दिशा में 55 किलोमीटर दूरी 13 घंटे में तय करती है. तो शांत जल में धारा की चाल और नाव की चाल ज्ञात करें. Let the speed of the boat in still water. Solution. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x km/h. And the speed of the stream be y km/h. Then according to here two cases arise. First case, we have to find the speed in upstream, and in second case we have to find the speed of the boat in downstream. Then the speed of the boat in downstream be the speed of the boat in downstream. धारा के अनुदिश, धारा की दिशा में नाव की चाल बराबर. The speed of the boat in downstream is equal to x plus y km/h, because we add speed of the boat and the speed of the stream, because now is going on in upstream or downstream. So in downstream, speed of the boat in downstream be x plus y kilometer, and the speed of the boat then the speed of the boat is equal to the speed of the boat in upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. Then according to first condition, according to question 30 by x minus y plus 30 by x minus y plus 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y. 44 by x plus y is equal to 10, because in 10 hours distance is covered. 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y is equal to 10. Equation number 1. And equation number 2, second condition, in the second case, in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. So we can write 40 by x minus y plus 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13 hours. So we consider equation number 2. Now you can solve these pair of equations by any method, elimination method, या substitution method, या by cross multiplication method, as you can. So let 1 by x minus y is equal to u, and 1 by let 1 by x minus y is equal to u, and 1 by x plus y is equal to v. So the form of equation will be 30u plus 44v is equal to 10, and 40u plus 55v is equal to 30. On subtracting equation 2 from 1, let us suppose 4 and 5, 3 and 4. Here we see that coefficient of, I am going to solve it by elimination method. Here coefficient of u is equal to 30, and in second equation coefficient of u is equal to 40. So we multiply by 4 and 3. Multiplying by 4 and 3, subtracting 4 from 3, we have 120u plus 176v is equal to 40, and in equation number 4, 120u plus 165v is equal to 39. On subtracting, we have 11v is equal to 1. Yeah, v is equal to 1 by 11. v is equal to 1 by 11. v is equal to 1 by 11. So, yeah, 1 by x plus y बराबर 1 by x plus y is equal to v. We considered 1 by x plus y is equal to v. So putting the value of v, 1 by x plus y 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. Yeah, x plus y is equal to 11. x plus y is equal to 11. Equation number 3, 4, 5. Putting this value x plus y is equal to 11. Putting the value of v in equation 3. In equation 30u plus 44 into 1 by 11. 44 into 1 by 11 is equal to 1 by 11 is equal to 10. Yeah, 30u plus 30u is equal to 11 minus 4. 30u is equal to 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Yeah, u is equal to x plus y is equal to 11. X plus y is equal to 11. Putting the value in equation number 1. In equation number 1, 30 by x minus y. 30 by x minus y plus 44 by 11. 44 by 11 is equal to 10. Yeah, 30 by x minus y plus 4 is equal to 11. Yeah, 30 by x minus y is equal to 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Yeah, x minus y is equal to x minus y is equal to 30 by 7. X minus y 5. v बराबर 1, v इक्वल टू 1/11। इक्वेशन 6 and 5 and 6, adding equation 5 and 6, x plus y is equal to 11 and x minus y is equal to 5, adding 2x is equal to 16, या x is equal to 16/2 is equal to 8. Speed of boat in still water is equal to x is equal to 8. Putting this value in equation 5. In equation 5, we have 8 plus y is equal to 11, या y is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Hence the speed of boat boat in still water is equal to 8 kilometer per hour, and the speed of boat and the speed of stream is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Answer. Again, I am going to explain this problem. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. एक नाव धारा के ऊर्ध्व प्रवाह और धारा के अनुदिश 30 किलोमीटर की दूरी 10 घंटों में तय करती है। In 13 hours, it can go 40 किलोमीटर upstream and 55 किलोमीटर downstream. और धारा की दिशा में, धारा के अनुदिश वह 40 किलोमीटर धारा के विपरीत दिशा अर्थात ऊर्ध्व प्रवाह में 40 किलोमीटर और धारा के दिशा में 55 किलोमीटर की दूरी 13 घंटों में तय करती है। तो हमें धारा की चाल और नाव की चाल ज्ञात करनी है। Let us suppose that the speed of the boat in still water be x किलोमीटर पर आवर। मान लिया कि शांत जल में नाव की चाल बराबर x किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा और धारा की चाल बराबर y किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा। Then the speed of the boat in downstream, धारा के अनुदिश जब नाव धारा के दिशा में जब चलती है तो उसमें धारा की चाल जुट जाएगा। इसी कारण से इसमें नाव की चाल और धारा की चाल ऐड हो जाएगा x + y किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा। और ऊर्ध्व प्रवाह में धारा के विपरीत दिशा में चलने पर धारा के चाल में से नाव की चाल में से धारा की चाल घट जाएगा। तो x - y किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट कंडीशन the form of equation will be 30 because we know that time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is total distance 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y is equal to 10 hours। 10 घंटे में धारा के अनुदिश और धारा के विपरीत दिशा में इतना दूरी तय करती है। फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकेंड कंडीशन 13 घंटों में 40 किलोमीटर वह अप स्ट्रीम में और 55 किलोमीटर डाउन स्ट्रीम में तय करती है। सो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय बोट in 13 hours is equal to 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x minus y. 1, 2. Here the pair of linear equations may be solved by any method. You can apply any method, substitution, elimination, and by cross multiplication you can. Let us suppose that 1 by x minus y is equal to u and 1 by x plus y is equal to V. Then the form of equation will be 30u plus 44v is equal to 10, and 40u plus 55v is equal to 30. Here coefficients of both equations are different, so we multiply equation 3 by 4 and equation 4 by 3, and subtracting we have 120u plus 176v is equal to 1040, and multiplying by 3, 120u plus 165v is equal to 39. On subtracting, 11v is equal to 1, therefore v is equal to 1 by 11. Here 1 by x plus y is equal to v, so putting the value of v here, we have 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11, therefore by cross multiplication x plus y is equal to 11. Equation number 5. And putting this value in equation number 1, we get 30 by x minus y plus 44 by 11. Here the value of x plus y is equal to 11 is equal to 10. 11 चौक 44, and 30 by x minus y plus 4 is equal to 10, या x minus y by साइड से 30 by x minus y is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, therefore x minus y is equal to 30 by 6 बराबर 4. On solving, adding equation 5 and 6, we get x is equal to 8, and value of x, putting this value in equation number 5 या 6, we can get y is equal to 3. Hence, the speed of the boat in a still water is equal to 8 km per hour, and the speed of the stream is equal to 6 km per hour. And in the account, and you can solve the, now you can solve the exercise 3.6 using this method, या by any method you can solve it, a pair of linear equation. I give you task to try this exercise and try to solve, and in next class I will solve your problem. Thank you. हिसाब से नंबर